Most guys never get taught this, but in the next 10 minutes, you'll learn the exact touch patterns that make her feel safe, seen, and intensely pleasured. And at the end, I'll give you a 20-second aftercare script that changes everything. All right, gentlemen, let's talk about a powerful yet often misunderstood aspect of intimacy. Whether during foreplay or shared moments, thoughtful finger exploration can be an incredible pathway to pleasure and deeper connection for a woman. In fact, with attuned touch and specific techniques, many women share that they experience profound pleasure and even orgasm through focused finger play alone. I'm Dr. Lauren Blake, a urologist, and today I'm going to share expert insights into respectful, effective finger techniques that can genuinely elevate her experience and strengthen your bond. This isn't just about physical acts, it's about understanding, communication, and mutual connection. Before we dive deeper, take a quick second to subscribe to the Men's Health channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss another science-backed natural health insight designed for men like you. And hey, if this message already resonates with you, if you feel that spark of recognition or curiosity, drop a 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. Your feedback helps me serve you better every week. Quick note, this video is for educational purposes only. Always communicate openly and get enthusiastic consent from your partner. What if I told you that mastering this one skill could make her remember you for the rest of her life? For many men, there's a genuine desire to truly please their partner, but sometimes a lack of clear, respectful guidance. Finger play is often overlooked or rushed, yet it's a foundational element for female pleasure. Women's bodies are complex and diverse, but many rely heavily on clitoral stimulation to achieve orgasm. While other forms of intimacy are important, effective finger techniques can provide direct, focused pleasure, potentially contributing to more frequent and satisfying orgasms. It's about building anticipation, understanding her responses, and creating a truly immersive experience. I've observed countless couples in my practice who have immensely benefited when men learn to approach intimacy with this intentionality and skill, fostering not just physical pleasure, but also a deeper emotional connection and confidence. This isn't merely a physical act, it's a profound language of touch and understanding. Before we even talk about techniques, 2 non-negotiables: enthusiastic consent and rigorous hygiene. Always ensure enthusiastic, ongoing consent from your partner. This means a clear, continuous yes, not just a one-time agreement. Check in frequently verbally and non-verbally. Second, hygiene. Thoroughly wash your hands with soap and water, ensure your nails are neatly trimmed and scrupulously clean. Creating a clean, safe, and respectful environment is fundamental for enjoyable and healthy intimacy for both of you. Before we get into the techniques, pay attention. Most men skip this step, and that's why they fail. Let's explore some initial techniques. The first is the warm-up, gentle exploration and building sensitivity. Avoid rushing straight into intense stimulation. Begin with soft, light touches around the outer labia and perineum. Use the pads of your fingers, not the very tips, which can be too sharp. Observe her reactions, listen to her sounds, and pay close attention to her body language. This stage is about teasing, gently awakening her senses, and respectfully mapping her unique pleasure zones. Think of it as painting with broad, gentle strokes before adding fine details. A circular motion, light tracing, or even a soft butterfly touch can be incredibly effective here. This builds anticipation and helps her relax into the experience, making her feel safe and desired. Now here's where things get interesting. This is the part that most men get wrong. Once she indicates readiness and arousal, you can move to external clitoral focus, the direct approach. The clitoris is exquisitely sensitive, so focused yet gentle stimulation is often preferred at this stage. Use 1 or 2 fingers. You can employ a gentle up and down motion, subtle circular motions, or even light rhythmic tapping. The key here is variation in pressure and speed, and always responding to her cues. Many women find a come-hither motion, where your finger moves from just beneath the clitoris upwards, to be highly stimulating. The clitoris, with its thousands of nerve endings, requires finding the right pressure and rhythm for her comfort and pleasure. Continuously check in with her, verbally, and through her responses. Is this too much? too little, faster, slower? Her feedback is your most valuable guide. Remember, the clitoris itself can be too sensitive for direct, sustained pressure, so often stimulation around the clitoral hood is more comfortable and effective. Okay, let's talk about the mysterious G-spot. Every guy's heard of it, but few really understand it. Let's explore internal exploration, targeting the G-spot and other internal areas. To potentially locate the G-spot, gently insert 1 or 2 lubricated fingers into her vagina with your palm facing upwards. Move your fingers a couple of inches in towards her belly button. You might feel a slightly different texture, perhaps a firmer, spongy area. If she indicates pleasure, a gentle come hither or subtle curling motion with your fingers can be highly stimulating. Again, pay absolute attention to her feedback. It's crucial to remember that not every woman enjoys G-spot stimulation, and that's perfectly normal and valid. This technique often works beautifully in conjunction with external clitoral stimulation, so consider coordinating with your other hand if feasible, or asking your partner to provide her own external stimulation if she desires to enhance the experience. At this point, timing becomes everything. Get this right, and she'll melt. Get it wrong, and it's over. Our fourth technique focuses on rhythm, pace, and coordination, facilitating climax. Once you've found her preferred zones and she's becoming increasingly aroused, concentrate on building a rhythm that leads her towards orgasm. This isn't a steady, unchanging pace. It's about gradually increasing intensity and speed as she approaches her peak. Think of it as waves, building, cresting, then slightly receding, then building again. Many women find a combination of clitoral and vaginal stimulation incredibly effective for reaching climax. Coordinating your finger movements with her breathing, or even with the natural rhythm of her body, can deepen the connection. As she approaches orgasm, her body will often tense, her breathing may deepen, and she might vocalize more. This is your cue to maintain focus and responsiveness, gently guiding and supporting her journey towards that ultimate release. Be present and flexible, adjusting as needed. Here's the part that separates good lovers from unforgettable ones. Finally, our fifth technique, and one that is profoundly important. Post-climax and aftercare, nurturing connection. An orgasm, while wonderful, isn't necessarily the end of intimacy. After she climaxes, gracefully shift back to gentle, loving touches. This could involve soft kisses, tender caresses, or simply holding her close. Many women deeply appreciate a period of gentle cuddling and connection to fully process and savor the afterglow. Ask her how she feels, openly and genuinely. This thoughtful aftercare communicates that you value her entire experience, not just the physical act, reinforcing emotional intimacy, making her feel cherished, safe, and understood. This sets a beautiful foundation for even deeper connection in future encounters. True intimacy is about the shared journey and sustained emotional closeness, not merely the physical destination. Now here's the truth most men don't realize. Your ability to please her starts inside your own body. Remember, your ability to engage intimately and provide pleasure is also intricately connected to your own overall health and confidence. For men, this means prioritizing your energy, circulation, and hormonal balance. While these finger techniques are incredibly valuable, they are part of a larger picture of male vitality. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with proper nutrition, regular exercise, and adequate sleep can significantly contribute to improved blood flow, sustained energy levels, and healthy testosterone production, all of which indirectly support your confidence, stamina, and overall engagement in intimate moments. If you're looking for ways to further support your male sexual health, there are science-backed natural supplements that may help with circulation and energy. However, it's vital to choose high-quality products and always consult your doctor to ensure they are appropriate and safe for your individual health needs. Before taking any new supplements or making significant changes to your health regimen, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or are on medication, it is absolutely essential to consult your healthcare provider. This information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should never be considered a substitute for personalized professional medical advice. Always prioritize open, honest communication with your partner, respect their boundaries, and ensure their comfort and enthusiastic consent above all else. So, are you ready to explore enhancing your intimate connection and bring truly profound, respectful pleasure to your partner? These finger techniques, combined with open communication, are a powerful way to deepen your bond. If this video gave you valuable insights and actionable steps, please subscribe to Men's Health Channel for more expert guidance on male vitality and sexual wellness, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another crucial video. Also, make sure to check out my video on the surprising foods that may drain your testosterone. Your intimate life, your confidence, and your connection are absolutely worth exploring and investing in. Elevate your approach to intimacy, starting tonight.